Hey guys, low back pain is a huge issue and I have a tip that may help you. So an issue with the back is that we are in a seated position a lot of the day. We're a very sedentary population, and so when you sit a lot, whether it's in your car, at your desk, or even if you're like sitting on a bike, cycling, you're in a lot of hip flexion. And what happens when you're in hip flexion, your hip flexor muscles, they shorten to put you in that position, the knee bent, whether you're seated or whatever, and it can put a lot of strain on the low back. So our tendency when we have low back pain is to get a low back massage or roll it back. You want to go to where the symptom is, but where the symptom is isn't necessarily where the source or the root cause is. So what I recommend if you're having any low back discomfort is take one of these yoga tune-up balls that we use in our recharge format. I really highly recommend the alpha size because the smaller sizes can just kind of get absorbed into your body and you don't feel much pressure. Find your hip bone. So you have this bony protrusion on the front of your hip. It's called your ASIS. And go just inside. So you're not going up or down, just straight inside. Place the ball there and then come on down to the floor, and without taking attention to your neck or shoulders, just try to relax and let your hip flexors, particularly the psoas, which is a very long muscle, runs from the bottom of your ribs to the inside of your upper thigh, just let that absorb into your body. Just that pressure will relieve a lot in your back. So again, if you're having any back pain, use the alpha ball, take it to the inside of the hip, lay down on it, and you don't have to spend a lot of time there. A few minutes on each side will make all the difference.